In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the dimensions here in Canva. Now, if you've already created something and you've realized you've used the wrong dimensions, there is a way to fix this, but we do need a Canva Pro account. Now, if you have a Canva Pro account, we can come up to here to resize. Now, let's backtrack really quick. This file is an 8.5 times 11. But let's say I want to change this to a 6 by 9. If we click on resize, we're going to get a few suggestions just here and by category. Now what we want to do is use custom size just here, then we can change the units to whatever it is that we want to change it to. If we click on here, we have the options for pixels, inches, millimeters and centimeters. Now for this example, I'm going to keep this on inches. I'm also going to change this to a 6 by 9, just like that. Then we have two different options when it comes to changing the dimensions. We can copy and resize this project, which means we'll get a duplicate but with the new dimensions, or we can just click on resize this design. Now for this example, let's go for copy and resize. It's going to take a couple of seconds to copy this, and then we can simply click on open the 6 by 9 and it's going to open our new project. Now the good way about doing it this way is that you get two different projects, your original and then the latest one as well. Now if things look slightly off with your new project, you can simply highlight over everything and then just bring in the corners like this and just adjust to however you want. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to change the dimensions here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.